like tic-tac-toe. Every step we take is tic-tac-toe. I like you like tic-tac-toe.
When foreigners travel to Seoul, one must-visit destination is Gwangjang Market. Today, we're going to make Gwangjang Market Bindaetteok, a Korean dish that has been the top seller at the market for years and is an absolute must-try. It's really incredibly easy. Chop just the white part of one green onion. Use 1/3 of an onion, that's about 100 grams. Cut it into small pieces. Cut 60 grams of garlic chives into pieces about 2 centimeters long. Finally chop 2 green chili peppers. Use 400 grams of ground pork shoulder. With this amount, you can make about 6 pancakes. Add 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and 5 tablespoons of potato starch. Add 2 eggs, sprinkle some pepper on top, then mix everything well and let it rest for about 10 minutes. You absolutely have to eat bindaetteok with onion soy sauce. Take a third onion, 1 green chili, 50 milliliters soy sauce, 20 milliliters vinegar, 5 grams sugar, 20 milliliters water. Mix them, let it marinate while you fry the bindaetteok. If you cook bindaetteok over too high heat, the outside will burn while the inside stays raw. It's best to cook it over medium heat. If you make the batter about the size of a tennis ball, the thickness turns out just right. When flipping it, if you tilt the pan like this and flip from above, you won't get any oil splatter and it's much safer. When it's almost done, press it down to make the outside nice and golden brown. There's a traditional Korean liquor that you absolutely can't skip before eating bindaetteok. It's Makgeolli. Makgeolli tastes best when you drink it from a stainless steel cup like this. Hey, how can you eat meatball John without drinking Makgeolli? As a Korean, I just can't forgive that. Look at the inside of this thick meatball John. The outside is crispy and the inside is moist. And if you eat it with this onion soy sauce, not only is the seasoning just right, but it also cuts through the greasiness. So before you know it, a whole bottle of Makgeolli is gone. It'll feel just like you're traveling in Korea.